Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about the only way to reverse erectile dysfunction. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. There are two ways to deal with pretty much any health problem. The first is you can go for symptom relief, or you can take a slower route and work on repairing the underlying cause of the problem. So, if you have a headache, the quick symptom relief method is to take an aspirin. But what if you have a headache every day? Then it becomes necessary to look for the underlying cause of the headaches. And that is how I look at erectile dysfunction issues. Symptom relief is taking ED medications. And symptom relief is really great in the short term, but not really great at all if you do not get to the root causes of the problem. And despite what you may think, erectile dysfunction is not the issue, because ED is a physical sign of damage to the cardiovascular system, and specifically to the lining of the blood vessels called the endothelium. When this damage occurs, a number of other problems come up. A few of the problems are high blood pressure, arterial stiffness, arterial plaque, and a lower nitric oxide production, which leads to poor blood flow. And poor blood flow is the root cause of erectile dysfunction. What needs to be done is the process of repairing the lining of the blood vessels so that adequate amounts of nitric oxide can be produced. Unfortunately, this is not a fast process. It is a process that requires lifestyle changes. Dietary changes, more exercise, weight management, eliminating or cutting down on cigarettes, and adding high-quality supplements. And if, like me, you use pro-arginine as your high-quality supplement, you have added another path to renewed health and erectile function. For more information, just click the link below this video to see my ED repair page. If you have any questions about that page or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the two video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.